Hi guys, today we are ranking all crazed cats. So apparently I made a new series called Ranking Every Cat, and this is the crazed edition. So I get all cats that have word crazed in it. And we are starting with crazed cats. Crazed cats might be the second best meat shield in entire Bellcats. So we are putting it in S. The crazed lizard is a good unit but can outclass by another lizard variants because it's hard to get. So I'm gonna put it in A tier. Next we have crazed bird. Crazed bird is just like the normal bird, but it has a bit more range, but still can't be used as a generalist, so B tier. The crazed fish is a good anti-red for early game, and you can use it to beat into the future chapter 1. And normally I would put it in B tier, but stage is pretty easy and you just need a critical hitter, so I'm gonna put it in A tier. The Craze tank is the best meat shield in my opinion, so it's in top S tier. Now we have Crazed Axe. Crazed Axe is just like the other Axe cats. It's not good and the stage is very hard, so D tier. Next we have Crazed Cow. Crazed Cow is the best rusher in the game, but it's not good as generalists, and its stage is pretty hard for new players, so C tier. Next we have Crazed Gross. Crazed Gross is just like Lizard, but stage is not hard. You can beat it with only level 20 Bahamut. So, lowest S tier. Next we have Crazed Titan. Crazed Titan is just like the other Titans but can do wave attacks and can be used to beat Crazed Lizard's stage, but stage is pretty hard, so B tier. Next we have Crazed Bodeko. Crazed Bodeko can be good because it's one of the only guaranteed critical hitters, but it takes a whole year to complete its attack, and you need to beat Bodeko's World Tour, and the first stage is 7 stars, second stage is 8 stars, and the third stage is 9 stars where you get Crazed Morocco. So it's hard to get, but guarantee critic is a pretty good ability, so B tier. Next we have Crazed Bizocat. Crazed Bizocat is just like the Bizocat, but it's crazed version, and it has a pretty good speed. Normally it's S tier, but it's pretty hard to get. It's get from daily luggage, and it was available on the first in the first days of Bellcats. So on top of the A tier. Next we have Crazed Bahamut. Crazed Bahamut is second form of Bahamut, but we are ranking Crazed Bahamut. So Crazed Bahamut can be used to beat crazed stages. So in S tier on top of Gross. Next we have these two units, but I don't see them in game, and I don't. I think they're trash, so I put them in D tier. Anyway, that's the final tier list. Which tier list should I do next? And do you think these units should be on higher tier? Please write it on the comments. Anyway, thank you for watching.